The SLAT 2025 results are finally out. If you haven't checked them, go check them ASAP. And if you've scored over 40, there's a good chance you're getting a call for PI. Okay, not just 40. Okay, there will be multiple rounds. So if people reject their seats or give those up, even the people who've scored over 38 or 37 might get a call. So kindly start preparing for PIs because it's never too late. Okay, so I am Jessica from Tarkashastra and I will help you do just that in this video. Okay, something very important. Try to understand why PIs happen. PIs do not aim to understand the academic level. Okay, that is already covered in the entrance exam. Here, it assesses the personality of the candidate. Is the personality of the student suitable enough for my college or my program? Okay, except for personality, there are multiple skills tested. For example, confidence, body language, content, okay, communication skills, likability, clarity of thought. Obviously, multiple questions will be thrown your way. Multiple questions, even bizarre questions at times. What the panelist aims to check is how you navigate through those questions, through those curveballs, okay? And how confidently do you deliver them? Okay, okay, confidence hai. Words are completely hollow. You are talking rubbish. So even content matters. Okay, so you have to prepare the answers for some certain questions beforehand. अभी किस तरह के questions आते हैं वो भी देखेंगे. पहले body language पे भी ध्यान दो. There are two types of cues, verbal cues and non-verbal cues. Okay, verbal तो verbal communication, but कुछ non-verbal communication भी होते हैं. For example, if I speak the entire video like this. So this is a question. And this is one type of question. Yeah, deal with it. It speaks of your attitude. It speaks of your mentality. It speaks of your mood. It's like you've been forced to sit there. Okay, the panelists will be clearly pissed at you and will be like, iski jagah to kisi behtar ko seat de dete. Okay, you have to be, yes, good morning sir, good morning ma'am. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, likability, they should like you. Okay, obviously, hello, hello. Confidence, you're proud that you're sitting there, or so many candidates you were selected. Okay, so body language matters, content matters, likability matters, confidence matters, and obviously the way this content is being delivered, your communication skills also matters. No, please don't do that. That sends out a very wrong message. It sends out a message of an indecisive person. Okay, you are setting out to be wonderful, successful people. Have you ever seen successful people being so undecisive and unsure of their decisions? Absolutely not. Okay, be confident, proud, happy, prepared. Okay, now what to prepare? I'll help you with that as well. Now the types of questions, okay, it could be in one of these realms or all of these realms, okay. The types of questions that they do target is obviously what is your career plan, okay, what is your future, what do you want to do after you join the college, what is your 5-year, 7-year plan, okay. Personal questions is the obvious one, okay, what is your name, what does your mother do, what does your father do. Okay, there are certain answers that are like really likable. For example, if you have a sister, a brother, okay, if one of your parents went to that school, always mention that. Okay, always mention that. There are certain cues that you can give that instantly prompts likability. Academics, okay, your academics, okay, strong areas, weak areas, everything will be addressed. Okay, your GK and current affairs, they might ask you a couple of GK questions also, just to check if you're on the line with the current news. And not just GK and current affairs, even some legal concepts could be asked. I mean, you are future lawyers. Some popular news or popular terms, you should know those. Okay, that is what the panelist assumes. So, ऐसे पूछ सकते हैं. Extracurriculars, ठीक है, maybe your academics is not that strong. Okay, scored subpar. So you can always make it up with extracurriculars. I'm a national champion swimmer. Okay, I'm wonderful at badminton. Okay, state level, national level champion. Okay, if academics is falling apart, don't let that come to surface, or don't let that topic go there. Okay, try to cover it up very smartly. Try to maneuver the conversation. Okay, these are some expert level tips. Okay, how to maneuver the conversation and favor it to you. Okay, how to make those people appear likable. I will help you to that. Okay? I will help you with that personally. Okay, at only $199, I will take a wonderful long workshop on do's and don'ts of PIs. Okay, not just that, I will personally take your mock interview, one-on-one mock interview, posing as a panelist and asking you questions, and then at the end giving you some parameters. All right? Or I will also help you in portfolio assistance. Okay, CV भी मांगते हैं. Okay, how to design your CV, what to add, what not to add. Everything will be covered in the mere price of 2 plates of momos. Okay, at only $199. Okay, good investment. Okay, at only $199, you can get closer to your dream college. So what are you waiting for? Hit us up on this number. Okay, so this was it. This covered the types of questions and all the skills that will be targeted in PI. If you again want to learn more, if you want to learn these specific questions asked, if you want to learn how to maneuver these conversations smartly, I will help you do that. Just sign up for the program, okay, and I will personally help you navigate all your personal issues. So this was it. Thank you. Yes.